Jack Chapman with Auto Repair Shop Success. In our previous technician par video, I said I would talk about how to fine-tune those pars using technician efficiency. Based on the feedback I got, we're going to talk about that today and break down each level of technician over the next few weeks. So let's start with what the difference is between efficiency and productivity. Productivity is based on the hours a technician is scheduled and able to produce work. So, with the average work week being 40 hours, every technician is capable of 40 hours of production. Efficiency, however, is different. Efficiency takes into account the skill level and knowledge of each technician, and it also accounts for their abilities. So, a master technician working a 40-hour work week has the same capability as any other technician, but also has the knowledge to be more efficient with his hours. And because of that, a master technician should be producing a minimum of 45 build hours per week for every 40 hours worked. Now, over the next few weeks, we're going to break down each type of technician we have, as well as how we create this weighting system. So continue to use and share this content. And as always, we can't wait to see you.